In this video, we're going to take a look at this new platform called Based and talk about how this is a solid opportunity to make money with 3 different possible avenues for actually earning from this app. Well, technically 4 if you can make money while trading. So let's call it a 4-in-1. Now, what is Based? Basically, it's a wrapper built on top of Hyperliquid, the perp DEX. They're backed by Athena Labs, which we like because this is another solid protocol with a huge amount of money and a very solid team behind them. And the way that it works is once you log into the app with the same wallet that you use on Hyperliquid, you will already have access to all of the same assets that you've deposited on Hyperliquid. So for example, if I go into the portfolio tab here on Hyperliquid, you can see I have some USDC in my perps account and some Fartcoin. And then if I go over here to Based and go to the portfolio tab, we'll see the exact same thing, the $233 in the perps account on Hyperliquid, and then also that Fartcoin. So if you're already trading on Hyperliquid, it's very simple to get started on Based. All you have to do, like I said, is connect your wallet, sign a message to authorize Based as the wrapper for your Hyperliquid account. And then I think you have to connect an email as well, and you're good to go. And the reason why you might want to use Based instead of Hyperliquid to do your perps trading is that you can hit multiple different airdrop targets at the same time. So when you make trades on the Based platform, since it's a wrapper built on the Hyperliquid app itself, you're going to be trading volume for Hyperliquid and you're going to be trading volume on Based as well. And Based has airdrop campaigns on. So they had one that ran last month and a few people in my Discord earned several thousands of dollars from that airdrop campaign. They have another one on right now and this one is ending on September 20th. So still about a week left. And there's going to be continually more and more token airdrops in this section of the app right here. Then on top of that, like I said, since you're farming on the exact same platform, Hyperliquid, and you're moving volume on Hyperliquid, and these guys have a massive pool of money still yet to be distributed, then it just adds another Lego on top of this farm. And then on top of that, we could potentially get a token from Based itself, and who knows, since they're backed by Athena, there could be some integrations and rewards there. Separately from all of this is actually making money while trading, but that's not something that I've ever professed to be incredibly good at. So my strategy really for farming these is just to try and take low risk trades or scalps and just try to move volume as much as I can. But yeah, it's basically the exact same platform as Hyperliquid is. So let's go over to Hyperliquid and just show you an example. Right now, looking at the Bitcoin chart, let's say I open up a position, a lever position on Bitcoin here, 10% of the USDC that I have. If I place this order here, and that's a market order, so it's going to go through immediately, and then go over to Based, it's immediately shown up over here. And so it's instantaneous, and the TLDR is that if you're going to be trading on Hyperliquid, you may as well actually trade on Based to get those additional yield Legos. So now I can adjust this position here, close it if I want to from Based, or open up new positions. So just to show you another example, let's say I open up another 10% long, the exact same trade basically on Bitcoin here on the Based app. Let's go ahead and place this order. So that goes through successfully. And now I have doubled my position size here in this Bitcoin long. Go back over to Hyperliquid and it already instantly shows up. So it's literally that easy once you connect and get started to move volume on Based using the Hyperliquid account that you have. Now, aside from that, there's a few ways that you can try to maximize this. So they do have various competitions, trading competitions, if you want to enter these and potentially qualify for additional prize pools. Then of course I recommend continuing to check out the airdrop tab because there will be different opportunities and prize pools coming up here, and all you need to do is move volume in order to qualify. And like I said, since this has been relatively underfarmed as of yet, some people are making easily 4 figures off of these. And then hopefully one day in the near future, we'll get a reward in the form of a Based token itself. They do have their own separate leaderboard. They've got an experience points system. You actually earn XP boosts for holding this pup token but that is risky and I'm personally not going to be gambling on that one myself. But yeah, a solid multi-airdrop farm target here for sure, and we love the Hyperliquid ecosystem, and if you're going to be trading volume on Hyperliquid, you might want to consider checking out Based as well, just in order to hit multiple additional sources of yield with the same trades that you're going to be doing anyways. So hopefully you found this little video helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.